grinding, or clenching your teeth. Here's a fast step-by-step to bruxism treatment in Turkey, from first consult to long-term relief. Bruxism, involuntary clenching, grinding. Watch for jaw pain, worn teeth, headaches, sensitivity, or TMJ clicks. Research accredited clinics and approaches. Custom night guards, botulinum toxin, bite balancing or restorations, jaw physio, stress star sleep support. Share symptoms, history, and photos and x-rays. Get a preliminary plan and timeline tailored to you. Combine therapies if needed, e.g. splint plus targeted injections. Confirm costs, benefits, and schedule that fits your travel. Get simple pre-visit instructions. Many providers help with transfers, hotel, and multilingual support. Recheck plan. Digital scanner impressions for a splint. Quick, precise injections if indicated. Careful bite adjustments or repairs. Expect mild tenderness. Wear the splint as directed. For injections, benefits build over 3 to 7 days, peaking by 2 to 4 weeks. Fine-tune splint fit and bite. Injections may repeat every 3 to 6 months. Add jaw relaxation, stress control, and good sleep habits. Plan enough days for adjustments, share full records, wear your splint consistently, and keep communication open with your clinic. Ready to protect your teeth and relax your jaw? Get a free pre-assessment with HealRoad, compare trusted clinic offers in Türkiye, and plan your treatment with confidence.